What's up, my people? I got a new watch. Let's see what's going on here. All right. You usually get this big box, big nice, wooden box. And if you're legit, you get your papers. You know what I'm saying? All your papers. My alternative band. Certificate. You get all that good stuff when you go the right way. Get it. I don't know what happens when you fabricate, but it looks so much better in person. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that goddamn watch. That's a watch, ladies and gentlemen. How does it work? How do you tell the time? I don't fucking know. But it's nice. But it is nice. It's really nice. And you don't have